In this video, we're going to look at how to set the available options for radio button, checkbox, and list selection fields. For radio button and checkbox fields, I can actually type the options right here on the form designer. So, just pick the option and either add or edit the value. If there's an option that I don't want, I can remove it. I can click to add a new option. Same thing with checkboxes. Can just type in whichever values I like. And again, I can add extra options and I can remove options right there from the form face. For list selection, to enter the options, I need to go to the Properties panel, and there's an additional tab next to Basic called Options, and in here I can enter the options that I want. And again, I can add new options and I can delete options. From here, I can also reorder the options. As well as that, I can say whether the options should appear in the order they've put them here, or they should be sorted ascending or descending. I have those exact same options on the Options tab here on the Properties for checkboxes and for radio buttons. So again, I can work with the options from here, change the sorting and change the order. The only additional feature I have for the list selection is the ability to say whether or not it allows multiple selections. Radio buttons always only allow a single selection. That's what the field definition is. And checkboxes similarly are defined, but this time to allow multiple selection. For the list selection, you get to choose with allow multiple selections turned on. The user will be able to pick as many options as they like. With it turned off, the user will only be allowed to pick a single value. That covers setting the available options for radio button, checkbox, and list selection fields.